Are you looking for financial freedom? Are you tired and fed up of 9 to 9 jobs? Do you want to work as per your convenience and want to earn additional income for you and your family? Then you have an opportunity here. I'm looking for passionate financial doctors in my team. I'm Ramprasad Gude. I'm an agency leader in Margao, Goa. I'm recruiting financial doctors in my team, guide them, and they give right financial advice to their clients. If you want to give right financial advice to your client and earn their respect and earn income, please comment yes below. I have 10 vacancies in my team. Thank you.